Hello, I'm Lewis and welcome to Soundbops. I'd like to take you through the first few steps on your musical journey. Today, we'll be introducing you to everything that our instrument has to offer, as well as taking a look at our exciting new learning portal. So let's get started, shall we? Your Soundbops unit should have come with 12 circular bops, a starter book filled with nursery rhymes and our early level sheet music, and if you bought a classroom pack, you'll also have a spare set of bops for each instrument. To start, you'll have to change the batteries in your instrument. Soundbops takes 4 AA batteries and they are inserted into the underside of the instrument, like so. After they're in, you're good to go. This dial on the left controls both your volume and power. Turn the dial, starting with the lowest setting, to power up your Soundbops. You can then move it round further to increase the volume. If your unit is running low on battery, this green light will turn amber, then red. The light will also turn amber if the unit is left on for too long. To fix this, simply switch the unit off and then turn it back on. For busier classroom situations, you may wish for your students to use headphones. You will find a standard 3.5mm headphone port in the back of the Soundbops unit. We recommend that when using headphones, your students don't set their volume to the highest level to protect their hearing. The dial on the right of your Soundbops controls instrument selection. Soundbops come equipped with 10 unique MIDI sounds, encompassing all 5 of the instrument families. Once you've selected the instrument you'd like to play, it's time to load on some bops. These pieces are called bops. Each bop represents a note. Notes are pitches that are labelled by letters. Soundbops uses the 12 notes found in the chromatic scale, the same notes that you'll find on a piano or most Western instruments. They are represented by the first 7 letters of the alphabet, with the addition of 5 flats and sharps, which function as in-between or passing notes. This alphabetical pattern repeats every 12 notes, and each cycle of the pattern, known as an octave, will get progressively higher or lower in pitch. To make bops playable notes, you stack them onto the board like so. The pieces can be placed in any order or location and will play the same notes. To play chords, you can stack up to 3 bops on top of each other. With traditional instruments, chords can sometimes present a difficulty to young children. But by stacking the notes, Soundbops overcomes this physical limitation. Encourage your class to play around with stacking different chords to see what sort of sounds they can create. In your starter pack, you will find several copies of different nursery rhymes. These are transcribed using our entry-level sheet music and are the easiest to play. The bops required for each song are along the top. All the children have to do is lay them out in a way that feels comfortable and follow along on our snake pattern melody line. You and your class will be playing along to classics in no time. Your pack also includes access to the Learning Portal. This is where you can find educational resources that have been prepared with Soundbops in mind. Opening up the Learning Portal, you'll be presented with a list of projects. Each project consists of a series of fun thematic activities designed to be non-linear and non-prescriptive, so that you can try out whichever takes your interest or feels relevant to your class. These can be run as a whole class activity or as a carousel. The portal also offers useful tools to help your class on their musical journey. These include a metronome to help them play in time, and companion musical pieces for some of the activities. Take some time to familiarise yourself with the instrument and the portal. We'll see you in the next video lesson once you feel comfortable bringing music into your classroom.